You got your screen. Hey, welcome in. This is the fascinating world of binary options and American. This is Todd. He's over there just, trading up a storm with his, there, adjust your thing. Look legitimate for once. All right, we're going to be
I'm
trading
not
today.
not in my studio. I'm in my dining room here.
Okay. I'm going to share my entire screen on screen 3. Well, that's my third screen. I'm going to share your screen first, not mine. Oh, look, we can share 3 screens. That's so cool. We can actually put your screen up here. My screen's down here.
The only
You
one
know,
we really need is mine, I guess, because that's the one that we're going to be looking at.
yeah, we're gonna be looking at Todd's screen, but I'll talk about math and I'll be doing math. So,
Are we starting with the $2
um,
level here?
I guess,
We're going to start with one. It doesn't matter to me. We can start with one if you want to see how we're winning, and then
well,
if we're crushing it, we can go to two, or we can just go to. I don't care either way. It's up to you. What do we need to win today? What's our goal today? Let's talk about that.
well, I
On
mean, we
on the
need like
chart,
$6 or $10. $6, $10, whatever. I mean, if you're trying to clear one level, here I'll show my screen here for a minute. Watch this. If you're wanting to clear one level, then
well, let's try to clear as many as we can. I'd like to
then
do more than one.
you're about $7. So I'd say anywhere between $7 and $15 would be fine.
Then let's start at two. You want to start at two?
Yeah, I want to start at 2. I think 2 is probably it. Now, what's your? Okay, so your screen. What's your balance right now?
Well, I just entered a trade because it looked decent to me,
Okay,
but it looks like it's going to break the opposite way. So
what's your balance when you started?
352.37, I guess.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be letting you know when the math goes down. What happens when the math goes down? All right, and we're not gonna worry too much about the show. The show is we're just here in case somebody wants to pop in and say hi. One of our old pals, one of our old pals and friends. Here's the math, though. I might put it up on the screen every once in a while, but that's the math. But here's Todd's screen. Okay.
Can you? Okay, so you can see them when I change time frames to 10 seconds, right? You can see whatever I'm seeing.
Yeah, I
Right?
can see what you're seeing.
Okay,
I
all
can
right.
see what you're seeing.
I'm just flipping back and forth occasionally just so I can see what's going on. So, because I felt like that was going to flip, and it looks like it is. So, this one I might take positionally here. I feel like that is going to go up, and that's why I did that.
It's a it's a it's a pretty good downtrend. So
But I
you
feel
know,
like I'm going to get a little bit of a pullback, maybe
I mean,
not.
if you look in the history, you got three candles back there that went up. You got
That's
three
a
candles
that's
again
a
that went up.
nice dang candle there.
You know, I mean, are you gonna take this next position here? You could take the
Probably.
4 here. I'll take it.
I'm going
Yeah.
to take it there because I know that's not next candle color, but I
I
feel
don't. I
like
don't
this.
even. Honestly, bro, I don't even trade next candle color. I trade positions
Right,
just
right.
like you
I
did.
get what you do, but I take it case by case. But
Yeah, you're very fluid. You make up crap as you go along. Just make up some
no, no,
crap.
no, no, no. I don't. I try to stick to.
All right, you're gonna. Yeah, you have the $8 trade in there
I've got
now,
it in there.
and who knows? I mean, I might
I don't
just
know that
wait
I'm
till
going
the
to
next
take.
candle. Yeah, I'd wait till the next candle because it might be a push down here, but
This may just be a small because look at the last big green candle at the top of
yeah.
the hill here.
I mean, I think you could probably put the next candle and you probably win it. Yeah, I'd probably put the next candle, dude.
Maybe, but it's still pulling up. I don't know. This is questionable here.
Yeah, it is. It is. But if I was doing anything, it'd be putting it.
I agree. I agree. But because of the wicks both ways, I
Yeah.
don't know.
I guess if it starts heading to the white line, you could go ahead and call it when
See,
it
like
starts.
right now, I'm already in a small profit. Not where we want to be, but we're in a little bit of a profit. So this
Yeah, but
next
you
one is
still
really going to. Okay, see, this is now going up, so I feel like this
take the next
may.
color. You want to? Yeah, I would take the next.
It's hitting the white line, though. This is gutsy.
Yeah, but it's.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
I don't know, man. I
I'm
just
gonna
wait.
I'm gonna hold off because
Hold
I
off,
don't
'cause
know.
hold off, because it's not. I'm not sure what it's gonna do.
It hit that white line and it just rejected like a mother, dude. It just bounced.
Yeah, it could start going back down. In terms of this chart, I'd be surprised if it actually broke the white line and kept going. But although the RSI is kind of in a position where it could do that.
But look at the history of it. That RSI doesn't usually go past that 50 line. Every time it hits
Yeah.
it, it usually goes back down. So
You might want to just take a
likely,
put
I'm
next
going
time
to
it
take a
gets
put
back
on
up.
maybe on the next. I might take the next candle.
Yeah, let's watch it and see because it's starting to push down.
I want to see how far it pushes and if I think
Yeah, if it's gonna continue down.
that's a big candle. So
It's on a line too. It could
I don't
start
think I'm
going
going
back
to
up.
take it yet.
Yeah, don't
because
take it yet.
It's not
Because you might get it. Yeah, just wait because I think it might retract. But if it breaks down, I mean, if it starts breaking or if it pumps back up there, you could take a positional trade on it. Even take a 1 minute trade because if it farts around, it still is heading
What's
down.
it look like? I want to see this in 10 seconds real quick just so I can get an idea of the long. Like, okay. See, in
Yeah, I
10
mean, it could go
seconds,
back up from here.
This is, okay, in 10 seconds,
wow.
it's
Yeah.
a massive candle. Like, this is looking like it's going to go up in 10-second candles. If I had to guess, this is
Think
going
it's
to
gonna
go.
break from here?
Well, let me go back to 10 because I want to see. Okay. No,
I think it's gonna
I
go
thought
down.
it was going to go up, but now it's going to hit a line there. I think eventually it's going to go down. I think we're headed back down eventually. That's my guess. I think it's going to
It's
break downward here,
It's consolidating here.
but it's
for sure.
consolidating, and I think it's going to go down though.
Yeah. Well, I guess you
When
could,
it breaks that bottom line, I think I'm going to enter on the next
Well,
candle.
Okay, on the next candle. So you don't
Yeah.
think it's gonna retrace?
I don't think it will pull back from there. I think it'll be 3 straight reds. That's my guess.
I'm going to listen to our live stream. Welcome to the viewers of our live stream. We got one good viewer tonight. I'm going to go in and actually watch ourselves and see if it's. I just need to check the audio. Fascinating World of Binary Options. Let's see here. We are live on here. Wow, we're in a trade.
We're on a trade.
Yeah.
And I'm
Hold
gonna
on one
watch
second.
this.
I'm going to listen to something.
No, crap. No. Dadgummit, are you freaking serious right now? Did you see that crap?
That was extremely disappointing.
Very. I mean, like,
I mean, yeah, it's probably. We'll just go to $2. That's fine.
I'm a two.
I mean, you've only lost 2 chances so far. So you know what I mean. That's
yeah,
great.
so we're down about $4. I'm gonna find a different chart though, see if I can find.
I don't know.
something.
Wait, stay on this one for a minute. This one.
I'll go back to it. Hang on. I just want to look around and see if there's anything that looks really obvious. Like, you know what I
that
mean?
was so frustrating.
That was very frustrating.
I'm not going to try to be frustrated because why be frustrated?
Well, it was like we were so close. I mean, just so freaking
Yeah,
close.
I mean, that's why I really don't like bottom next candle color. Dude, we knew that was going down. If we had,
well,
if we had
there
kind
was.
of, if we had kind of
It was
taken
going
it,
down. I mean, it wasn't about position. That was as good of a guess as any because it went down the whole time except for the last 5 seconds.
yeah, you're right. It did.
I mean,
I thought you killed it. I thought you killed that one. 48. You're still only $4 down from where you started. So you're still. I mean, that's why I think tonight we got to be a little more cautious. But I mean, don't just start because the last couple times you traded together. Oh, that one looks like it could be going down.
It does.
That's
yeah.
30 seconds. Like in the long range, I think that could be going down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know though. I mean, it kind of like it. Not necessarily though. It could be going back up.
Well, look over here, right there. There's a nice support, real big, strong support line. If it breaks past that, right now it's kind of rejecting off of it.
Yeah, but I think it'll reject and kind of push back through, or it could be setting up. It looks like to me, it looks like a
Pullback.
Yeah, to me, it just looks like a pullback in a downtrend. I mean, you could probably take the next candle on a put.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Because it might turn around right here.
Yeah,
Either way.
I mean,
Yeah, I mean
It's
it's
hard to
got
say, but it's a guess. I'm gonna take it and see what happens. 3,
pattern wise.
2,
I think you're
1,
taking a
boom.
decent guess. I mean, it kind of like went down, went shoved down a little more, come back up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Well,
It's
I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna just hope that this goes down for the next 3 candles,
okay.
and because I'm planning to take them if assuming this
Yeah.
wins, assuming it wins, which at this point it's not looking good. Well, there's that.
All right.
Let's
That's
wave
okay.
goodbye to that opportunity.
Well, we are on a white line and it's kind of in a weird spot,
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
but it's been a downtrend. It kind of broke above the white line and now it's kind of still playing with the white line, I guess.
Yeah, right here. I don't know, man. This is a
Yeah, I don't know either.
guess.
It's too
This
straight. The
this
white
is
line's
not
too
a,
straight.
and it just went to a 69 cent or 69% payout. So that's gonna not be an option at this point.
Yeah, the white line is too straight on that one.
This is broken above. This could go either way, but
Which one is that?
Oddcat,
Okay.
your personal favorite chart.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's an engulfing candle, but it's a big uptrend. I mean, you could take this call, and if it turns around and heads back up, then you're.
You think it's gonna go up or down?
Oh well, obviously I think it's going up, but.
Why do you think it's going up?
Because it's been going up, and it just had a huge pullback. You know.
Are you sure it's done pulling back?
No, I don't know, dude. I just make stuff up. But
Well, it could go either way. We've
I
seen
said-
this.
I said take a
We've
call
seen.
on it.
We've seen this win. We've seen it lose.
Yeah, I mean, it could go either way, I guess. I think it's going to go up, though.
Well, a call would have won. You're right.
I think another call here would win, too. I think it had just a big pullback, and then it's just going to keep going back up. All right, so.
Okay. Well, we can enter that. Let's
Well,
wait for the next candle. But I don't know when it hits that top line. Is it going to bust through it?
Well, I don't know. I think
Because
so. I
it's an RSI touch. So
mean, hit there
I'm-
again.
I'm gonna chance it. I'm gonna
You
chance it.
it, because if it does, it's going to go. It'll go big.
4, 3, 2, 1, boom.
Yeah, that would have been a call. That would have been this possibly would be your 3-candle win.
I'm
You
gonna go ahead and
thought-
put 4 in. So
It's hilarious since we both looked at that and thought, "Oh, that's a good opportunity," and we both picked the separate.
opposite directions.
Yeah, what? You
Well,
thought I was
because
talking about a
we
put?
used to we used to trade. We used to take an
That was an
engulfing candle
engulfing candle, yeah.
and go
engulfing
for the
one.
next one to do the same thing. So
Yeah, I guess so. Just in the overall picture of that, are you looking at 10 seconds? Yeah, you're looking at
Yeah,
10 seconds. That's
I
the
just
problem.
I like to let it play out that way, but it doesn't matter. It's the same. It's
But
the
see
same
how
thing
this
either
is
way,
a
but-
giant uptrend, and it kind of pulls back and then keeps going up, pulls back, keeps going up, pulls back, keep going
Well,
up.
now it's
But
hitting
now
that
it's
line.
now
it's
it's
not.
now it's hit a line where maybe it's not going to go up anymore. But it could break and go up. So we should probably wait until it. Well, I don't know.
I could take the next candle if you think it's
You
going
could
to go.
call the next candle. Yeah, I mean, if it's going to break that line, it's going to do it right now, and it's going to go above it, and then it's going to. You called it, right?
I did.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it continues to consolidate there, you're dead. But if it has a last minute, kind of pump up there, then you could get your little win, and then. Yeah, I would call it again. I would call it again. Like if it doesn't win, either way, I would call it again. It didn't win, I would just call it again from this candle. So
It's obviously hitting some resistance.
It's hit some line. I mean, this is how I was trading. I just kind of think it's going up, so I just kind of keep taking each candle.
Why,
or I
yeah,
keep
you
taking the
always
dip.
assume it's going up. I don't know why you always assume that, but
Well, because it's going up. Look how it's going. I mean, if you look back about the last 20 candles have been pushing up, retracting, pushing up, retracting, pushing up, retracting. It has hit sort of a line of.
oh, we won that. We won it.
Okay.
We won it.
You could enter again because it's going up. If you think it's going to leave this area and go, you could enter when it now it might as well wait till it pulls down. And if it pulls down, you could enter.
There we go.
because that's the line. I mean, if it's going to go up from here, then it's going to go. I kind of have been positional trading more, and I've been kind of doing this, but I've just been waiting to see if it's going to go, and as it goes, I just take it.
Okay,
I'm looking at
10
30 seconds.
Hold on,
so
10 seconds. I want to see if there's a line where it might hit
No,
in this, but
it's
I
on
don't
a line. I mean,
I don't see one.
crap, it's on a line. So be real
Oh, we're
careful.
gonna win it.
You
We're
could-
gonna win it.
Yeah,
Okay,
you could
boom.
take the next one if you really think, but I'd wait for it to pull back. Here's where you have to be positional. Wait till wait till you get a wick, and then take it. You know, wait till it gives a little pushback. You know, like right in there somewhere. I mean, if you're gonna take it on the line, take it on the line, because it's trying to get above that line. It keeps kind of getting pushed back down.
Crap. That ain't
But
good.
you could have taken it there. But see, it depends
We
on.
don't know how far down it's going to. That's
Yeah,
what I hate
it
about
might just
position.
jump right up from here. It might just go, boom, jump right up. But it might not. It's not going to.
It's
doesn't
not
look
going
like.
to. We've lost this one. That's a loss. That's a total loss.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. That scared me anyway.
Well,
but
that's scary up at the top. You're on a very narrow line right there. So, I mean, you either have to take it or you have to wait for it to give you a better position. So is it gonna go up from here, and is it gonna that's
I don't
a
know.
good low position?
You always like to assume that it is, so I'm going to go with that. But we'll
Well,
see.
yeah. I mean, and at this time it's going to go up again, and this time it probably will break that line. This time it probably will.
What we need is 3 solid candles.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Just take the next one. 336, and you're still in the $2 level, so you're still fine. You just need to take this next candle color and just let it go. Just take it, and then you get a couple 3 candles that if it breaks up over this, now there's a chance that it won't ever break it. But I guess that's the chance you take. When you keep trading on a chart like this.
How far down are we? Because we started at 353 or something, and we're at 336. So
You've got another $4 before you have to go up.
is this going to pull up over that?
You're about 10. You're about 50. You're about $18 down right now. Now I'd wait on this one because this is a way consolidating chart.
I don't like this chart, dude. I really don't.
Well, if you give it some time, it might. Well, just look around because you're right.
Yeah, I really don't. I don't like trading.
Now it's
you
going
like
to the
to-
white line. Now,
you
now
like
it's
to stick
turning around
with-
to the white line. Dang it.
I like to stick with charts that.
Well, I like to see charts that are going somewhere.
Okay, okay. Look at this one. Look at this one.
CAD
okay.
CH, yeah.
Is this going up? You think it's going up?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It broke the. I'd take a call on that sucker. It broke the. I mean, the RSI broke. I mean, why not? I mean, unless it decides to pull back. But I mean, you don't really know. In that situation, you've got a good RSI break. You've got some good solid up pressure. It's kind of again. It hit that line before and kind of hit it again. So I mean, I don't know. Maybe we should wait till it breaks above.
We might win this.
Yeah. I mean, you can enter again if you think it's going to go up, but it's got a lot of back pressure. But I mean,
But it's slowly going up though.
yeah, it is. It's like if it doesn't find.
Okay,
like-
there it goes. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay,
we
yeah, I'm
might
watching.
we might get one more good candle out of this.
It's weird how it's grainy. Yeah, hit it again, dude. I mean, hit this one again because it's
Okay.
broken.
All right,
When
yeah,
when
we
you're
good
ready.
to enter this one again on the next candle.
Might as well. I mean, you've got, I mean, it's got solid pressure. I'd wait for a little dip back and just wait till the next candle color and just nail it. Yeah. See, I think.
Yeah,
you
I think
find,
this might be it, dude. I want to check this out.
You find
Yeah.
little moments. Where
Look at
you're
that.
gonna
10
win.
seconds is just climbing. That's why I like to go to 10 seconds to watch it play out, because I like to see how it's climbing, and it is just consistently climbing here.
There you go. Yeah, you're gonna hit this in. Unfortunately, it's at the very end of our $2 level. So we're gonna be
Boom. Okay, not back where we started.
we're only $3 under where we started. So just start over with the $2 trade.
Okay, do you
This-
think?
You know what the most important part of this
I
is?
think now we might get a pullback, but what do you think?
If it's gonna pull back, it probably is.
It's struggling there, so I'm gonna go for that.
If you think it is, yeah, you could take the next candle color because it's due for a big pullback, dude. Yeah, you can take it unless it consolidates at a new level. But I mean, I think that it could easily just go down for like 2 or 3 candles right now. I mean, it's a big uptrend, but it did pull back twice. It did go up and pull back. Typically, it's been going up and then pulling back. It is struggling, but you know. All right, so
I don't know.
if I was going to take trades on this, I'd be taking them as high as I could. I wouldn't do next candle color.
Yeah, but are you sure that it's gonna?
I'm not sure. I'm just saying if I would if I was going to trade on a margin like this, I would on a narrow area. I would wait for the uptick. I would.
Okay, because this looks like it's a big.
That's an
uptrend.
engulfing candle. So I mean, if you think it's going down to the white line,
I want to see.
it
I wanna
doesn't
see where
typically go to the white line.
Okay, I mean it's not been anywhere this high, so.
Yeah, I mean it could go to the white line. It could go. It looks like it. Just take the put because it looks like it's. It looks like it's. It looks like it could go to the white line, or at least back down to this level that it was struggling at. The RSI was completely tanked. Now it's like weirdly cricked. So I don't know what that means. Does that mean it's like consolidating?
It means it's a guess.
The good thing about this math is that it keeps you fairly safe. I mean, you can have a lot of losses and still.
We're down about $10 from where we started, roughly.
Not even that. About 7.
Well, yeah.
All right, get off this chart. We need to look for charts that look like they're moving somewhere. Like you just found that one, and then let's just get off of them because, you know, when they start to make their move, that's I think.
Okay, here's one that. Well, no, I mean, I don't know. I'm looking for something that's gonna break out of an area.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Oh, AUD/USD. AUD/USD is kind of at a decision point, and it's like it could just be getting ready to go sideways, but it's kind of at a decision point.
I think it's gonna go down.
AUD/USD, yeah.
Look at that. You see that, Carly? Go in there and get Michael. Do not come over here. I'm live on the internet. You can't
It's
be like.
kind of in a line right now.
This is going down, bro.
Well, if you think it is, take the put. You know.
I'm gonna chance that it is because look at it. I mean.
Yeah, it's all positioned to, and if it does, it probably could go for a little while.
Okay, see, look at this. Look at the 10-second. It's going to this line right here. You see that?
Yeah, you got 12. You got 10 seconds left. You can put another put on that if you want in 5 seconds. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. You can put another put on it. As long as it doesn't retract, which, you know, lately I've been having a lot of retraction.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Been having a lot of retraction where it'll like you think it's going and then it just farts around, but it's getting lower each time. So as long as it doesn't wick on the top side, then I think we're okay. I'd put another $8 on this in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's next candle. If it doesn't turn around.
If it doesn't.
That's okay. I don't mind if it does that in the very first 5 seconds. I don't mind it.
I feel like this. Ah, shoot.
That's all right. It's just putting a little wick on it. You got 15 seconds. Oh, crap.
Yeah.
This happened to me all day today, actually, earlier.
But I feel like it wants to go to that bottom line down there.
Oh,
it may blow through there. It might blow through there.
5, 4, 3, 2. There you go. Did you just win that?
Oh, bro, we're in a profit.
Dude, you just won that. Okay.
We did just win that. Now we're in the money. So we are back in the money. We're at 358.01.
So what I need to do is I need to type in.
I love this math because it keeps you safe, and this could, I don't know, bro. This could waterfall, but I don't know. I mean, I think I wouldn't get in right now because of where it's at. It's at if you look back right in here, it's a big sideways support line. It's gonna, but it is still going down. But we won that, and that's what we needed to do.
Okay, it broke through the top level. It's at a big sideways support line right now, which means it could completely turn around and go back up.
Right.
But if you want to stop 1 second, all right, you're in you're in a $5.64 profit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, $5.64. You started at 352. You're at 358.01. Is that right? 358.01. So you're at a $5.64 profit. That's pretty good. I mean, you can keep going, but you're gonna have to have a couple 3 series wins, or you can just stop for the night. It's been about 20 minutes. I mean, yeah, this math works, dude.
Yeah.
This math could climb you up every. If you stick with the patience of this math and don't get discouraged.
We never
it
even went to the
absolutely
$4 level. We went to the last two, but
if we would have been, dude, if we had went one more loss and then won, we would have a lot more profit right now.
hmm
But you know,
but when
so
you win at the last $2 level, it's
Yeah.
not as much.
it's not as much. And you won 2-3 in a row so far, I think, right? You've won 2.
Mhm.
You won
Mhm.
one and then you won another one.
Yeah.
So this is totally stopped at this level. I mean, if you want to wait for another 2 or 3 candles and see if it's going to break, then you know, who knows if it's. I know sometimes charts break and then consolidate, break and then consolidate. Just
Okay,
doesn't
this is
really-
10 seconds. I like to see what level I think it's going to go to because the 10-second is breaking out. You see that?
Yeah, it broke down
And
from where
it's
it was.
probably going to right here in this area right there. It's which is, and then it's somewhere in there, or it actually it pulled back from there, but I don't know that it's going to stop there. So that's why I do like to check 10 seconds to compare it to 30, because I think you
Yeah.
can see levels differently.
Oh sure. And you can see patterns in the 10-second. You can see the 10-second pattern helps you.
Yeah, this could go back up from here, or it could just pull back 1 or 2 candles and then keep going. It's hard to say.
Yeah,
But,
this one's hard to say because it is sort of it's like
Because
it went
it's at a big support line. I mean, pretty significant. So I want to see if there's
But
any
what is your
others that
stop?
are-
What is your up stop? I mean, what is the up?
Well,
That's what I was trying to ask you about
did we
earlier.
clear whatever day's level we're on? Have we cleared it?
Let's see here.
Because it would be like a $6 level, wouldn't it?
355. Okay, so you need to get to 362 if you're really going to clear it.
Okay.
Well, where did you start at? 352? Yeah, you need to get to 3. You started at 352, right?
353.
Okay,
354 actually. We're only in a $4 profit.
So yeah, if you want to get to another level, you have to get all the way to 362. So you
Okay.
still need to keep going.
All right. Well, we're not very far in, so.
Now this does look like it could break now.
This is where we were before, right? This is what we just.
odd USD. I still think it could break now. It kind of went up like it was going to go to the white line. Now it's probably going to go like it didn't go to the white line. But I don't know. Now it's consolidating up.
It's hard to say. This is a risky chart to get in on right now. At that point, now this is one that could be going up.
Which one? Odd CAD CHL. Yeah, it's kind of stepping up. I guess it could end up going up to that hump up there. If it breaks above if this candle ended green, or even if it ends red, I mean, you could probably call it from here. And if it's gonna go up, yeah, you could call it from this candle probably. Yeah, see, it's one to push up. I don't know. I mean,
We'll give it
Yeah.
a try.
we had a much better position down there, but I mean, that's a huge position loss. Waiting till the end of the candle. I mean,
Well, yes and no. If this is going to be a green candle, though, then it's going to be a green candle.
it's really struggling at the top there.
It's really struggling, but I think it is. Hopefully,
Get your
you can-
$4 ready because, yeah, take your $4 if this wins. Because
Oh, okay. We got some decent position there. I mean, like the candle jumped above it a little bit, so
yeah,
this
if it
candle
ends-
goes up.
It's getting ready to hit a massive line right here at the top. So I'm not sure because I think it's going to break over, but it could reject first. 8. Oh crap!
Dang
I'd
it,
almost
what?
take another $2 down here. When this candle enters, just take another $2. Because you've got like a consolidation, but it's a rising consolidation. You know, it's like consolidated and then it pumped up to another level. And it's going to that top level. The only danger I feel with this is once it hits that level of that far back wick at the top of that mountain, you know, it might have some violent pushback. But right now it's a flip-flop trade that's going to lose. Dang it, unless it jumps up. Dang it, it's moving too slow.
Yeah,
It's
I don't
freaking
like
making
this.
me mad.
I don't like that at all.
Yeah, I think it's just totally rejecting now. But it's still consolidating. It's still kind of consolidating. I'm going to look for something else.
This
I
is
don't know.
going down. This is going to go down.
Oddcad.
You think? It looks
Which
like it's
one is
about
it?
to.
Oddcad?
Yeah, it looks like it's about to drop.
Yeah, you could take that next candle. I mean, yeah, it's going down from up there, yeah. I mean,
Or is it?
well, I mean, it pushed up pretty far and it pushed up pretty hard.
That
and
last second, it pushed up a little bit.
but there's those little green candles that have been trying to rise, but you've got an RSI about to break. That's okay though. It still isn't totally convinced. It still could win. I don't know. It's hard to tell because I'm watching. Oh, there you go. Take the next candle down. Yeah, you could take the next candle. Because if it's actually done doing its thing, I think it will. Because why I like this chart is because those two big giant green candles.
Okay, see, look at our 10-second position. 10 seconds. If that turns red, we're doing really good. Yeah, see the 10-second is breaking down below there.
You could take one more. You could take an $8 here. When it gets, you got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2. There you go. Get a great position on there. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, so the problem with this is, the good thing about this is those two giant green candles, and then it kind of hung up in that green area there for like 3 candles, and then it just started tanking, but it's got some room to go. It's hitting a line down here though. It's making me nervous right there.
Yeah, a little bit, but.
But I mean, it's still giving you a lot of down pressure. So, yeah, there you go.
Got it, bro. 366.73, bro.
All right, let me do your math here real quick. I'll throw it on the screen.
That's about $10, man.
Let's see.
Actually, 64.
Well, don't do the math. Watch this. 366. What? 366. What do you have?
Hey, Mario. How you doing?
That's a $13 profit, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, we did good because we were at 353, right?
352.37. Now you're at 3.
I think it was 353 or 354 even.
No, because you
354 is where we were at. I remember reading it. But even still, that's
because you took a trade before I started, so it's $11.67.
That's still really good.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, that's real good, dude. I like this
now
math.
You're at 366.
Like
yeah, you're already in, so you cleared a level like right here, and you're already into the next level by $4.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're into level 66 by $4 because you need 362 to be there.
And how much does it need to clear?
369. So you're at 366.
369 left.
No, you need to be at 369. You're at 360. You're $3 away from clearing that other level.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you almost cleared 2 levels. I mean, you're $3 away from clearing the next level, but that doesn't mean you should keep trading.
No, we're done. We're done for tonight. I'm happy with that.
I mean, that's two levels. That's $12. That's 66.
That just tells me, dude, that I don't think I'm ever gonna lose again. I don't want to be arrogant about it.
Not if you trade with me, dude.
But dude, I think sticking to this math, looking at the charts, I don't think I'm gonna lose.
No, not, dude. If you stick with me and we do this systematically with no emotion, like we're doing it,
yeah,
like you're just finding trades, and I'm just telling you when not to.
Exactly.
Then that's a good view right there. I got a sock on my floor back there. I better get this back up there. So that's a little sock on the floor back there. So how do you feel? Let's talk about this in terms of our show. Let's see if we had anybody chat with us. Let me see. I haven't used the chat. Okay. Hey guys. Hey Mario. Mario. What's up, man?
It's a Mario.
Sorry. It's a Mario. So how do you feel about this this, Todd. I mean, dude, 1167, absolutely no danger.
Well, yeah, the difference between the way we used to do this, we were like, dude, I'm on a fifth trade, man, and you just felt it in your gut, like everything is on the line, okay, and that feeling is gone, and then
Yeah, with this method, dude, all that feeling's never there. It's just a matter of, it's kind of just like playing a game until you win.
yeah,
And, it still sucks to lose like a third trade, but then it's like, all
right,
right, we'll try again.
exactly. But it really isn't that hard to find three candles in a row. I
No,
mean,
it's
when you
not.
can just sort of see it coming. I mean,
Yeah,
you
like
know.
that last trade we just did. I mean, that was a really good position. It was
Now, do
like
you see why I jumped to 10 seconds to watch it play out? Because it kind of tells me, like, if those candles are, because you've got three candles in 10 seconds that are going to go before your trade expires. You can see the position. They get further and further away from your line, and so you know, like, okay, I got this, or I don't got this.
all right, this is the analysis. I don't know why my screen looks so much clearer than yours. Your screen looks terrible. Your
What do you
screen
mean?
on our live stream looks really grainy. I don't know why.
Grainy? How?
It looks grainy to me. I'll have to go look on YouTube and see. Maybe it's just because of the way it looks.
Or
Here-
maybe because it's coming over the internet.
Yeah, I'm not really sure why, but like this is, I'm gonna do something here because I wanna just do this analysis because analysis for me is fun. I'm gonna show you something that I've noticed by doing this method a lot. I'm gonna draw it out here for the folks at home because we want to be nerdy like that. All right, you see this? You see that right there? See that right there, folks at home? Watch this. This is what I was talking about, and I'm going to put it in blue maybe. This is what I'm talking about. These two candles right here were at the very top of this was pretty much, it started petering out. That's where Todd saw it. He saw it right here and said, petering out. Now, could it have kept going? Yes, but we had this long rise up. These two candles, like from here to here, like it went way up there. And that's what I think makes me think it's going to peter out and go down. See, it went all the way down to here. It went down to almost like right about there before it even went back up. So whenever I've seen this like big candles, this was my clue on this. I know your clue, Todd's clue is this right here. Three little candles struggling, That was his clue. My clue was the level changed really much from all the way to here. It shot way up there in two candles. And then it started struggling. And I thought, well, at least the sellers will want to answer that a little bit. They'll want to dip it down. And they didn't dip it all the way down. But I think overall this chart is in an uptrend. So this was a new level set by the buyers. And then it was struggle. And then the sellers said, no, I'll take some ground back. And then the buyers said, no, I'm going to keep going. Now it hit this level again. This time, I'm not sure. Is it going to keep going? I think it probably will. Oh, no, it relieved again. So there it is relieving again. So it swooped up, it broke one time, now it's relieving again. So that's decent. I mean, I guess in our analysis, you just never know if it's going to break another level or turn around. But all we need to do is be right sometimes. We don't even have to be right that much, bro.
Exactly.
I mean, because we're going to get, when we're right, we get the 3 good wins, and then it's just like a miracle.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
I'm going to look at your screen now on YouTube and see it. It probably just looks grainy on mine. I think I think your screen just looks grainy on my computer. It's
Are we actually on YouTube live right now?
Yeah, we're on YouTube live and your screen looks clean. Like really clean.
Let's see.
Yeah, your screen looks great.
Fascinating world.
But on my
binary
screen,
options. This is the third one down. We're the third one down. Huh.
Yeah.
We're live right there.
Well, I mean, that's how it goes, dude. We killed it. Yeah. All right. Well, let's call it a night. I mean, we really killed it tonight. We just nailed it down.
Yeah, it actually was a pretty good success. So we
Well,
made like
yeah, dude. Tonight was
$11.
way easier. It was like 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes, $12, 2 levels. Dude, if we can do that, I mean, yeah, I know we wanted to clear like 15 levels, but
We're still, dude. That means
we're still getting a
that
feel
means
for it.
we would be like 150 days out from 300 levels.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Well,
real quick before you go, what is the okay? Because we determined we cannot get realistically, we cannot ever get to level 300 because we can't do starting trades that big. We can't.
yeah, okay, so
Where is using this strategy where you have to have four tiers essentially? You know, at what point do we cut it off? What point is our last? Like, what level is our final entry level? Because we got
well, I mean,
two
you can
two
go.
four six or 248 248 16. And then the next would be 4 8 16 32. At what point do you hit your entry level that is like maximum?
I'm not sure. I haven't done that math yet, but if you look at our chart, I mean, by day 300, you're making $745 a day.
Mm-hmm.
You're at a $37,000 account at 2%. So, yeah, at $37,000 account, and you could do 1% trades. Well, what are we doing now? We're at a $300 account doing.
$2 trades.
So we're doing about a 0.75%. So let's do the same.
Just scale it up. So say 40,000. So you're
So
at day
40,000,
305.
and you're going to go
40,000.
0.0. You're doing what? 0.075. So, whoa, your first trade would be 3,000. That doesn't make any sense.
Whoa.
No, I did the wrong math. It's a $40,000 account. We're going to do 0.00.
Be like a $300 trade, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but no, it'd be an $80 trade.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2%.
So you'd be looking at 80 would be your first tier, 160 would be your second tier, and your third tier would be like 320,
320, and then,
and then 680 or 640.
yeah. You need 4? If you that'd be your starting trade would be 640. You're saying if you got to that fourth tier.
I mean, you have to have 4 tiers. So
640.
basically we have 4 levels, 4 tiers.
Yeah,
Trading
at that
tiers.
level, you're 640. If 640 is your starting trade on the 4th tier, then you're at a 640 trade, a 1280 trade, a 2500 trade, and a $5,000 trade. That doesn't make any sense. What am I talking? I'm like drunk.
Yeah.
Your first trade is if you're on that tier, your first trade is 620. Okay, and then if you win that trade, your next trade is going to be 1190. Your compounded trade, and then the next trade is going to be 2285, and then the next trade is going to be 4388. So yeah, you're going to have to make about $4,000 trade at that level.
That's what I'm saying. So when
I'm sorry. You're only
it-
trying to get 3 wins. You're only trying to get 3 wins. So it's 640 times 1.
But as you move up in tiers, your
you have to
compound
make
gets too high too.
You have to make it
consider
2,300. Yeah.
You have to consider the compound.
You got to make a $2,300 trade on your third compound on level 4 at that price. So $40,000 trade, $40,000 account, making $700 a day. If you get down to the 4th tier on that, your third compounded trade is going to be $4,000. So we're going to have to modify the plan as we grow it.
Well, the other thing is, it makes a difference too at what point, it's going to have to be kind of fluid because you don't know what your, like we didn't know what level, at what point we're going to win. Like we didn't win till the very last $2 trade.
Right.
And that was our first set of wins. Well, then we got, a couple more at some point, but we ended up with $11. We had no idea what our profit would be because we don't know when we're going to win.
Right.
But we're going to have to kind of work with that, but we need to kind of figure out sort of like what neighborhood realistically our trades are going to have to, we're going to kind of have to cap our starting trades.
I
Like
will
what?
do a chart. I will do a mathematical chart that we can type in a starting trade and it will show us.
However, what we do know is that on average, we have been ending the last 3 sessions we've done. We've ended with a $10 profit. Today was a little bit more. It was like 11, close to 12.
Yeah. Well,
But
yeah.
it's been about 10. So starting with a $2 trade, we've ended with about a
it's a
two
5 times
five
increase.
times, yeah, a 5x win from where we start. So going with that average, you can assume that if you're starting with a $50 trade, you might end with a $2,000 profit.
No, $50 trade would give you a $250 profit.
Or 250, yeah, not 2,000.
If you had a $100 starting trade, you'd be making $500 profit.
Okay, yeah, which would still be a good day.
Yeah, so I mean, maybe I'll look at and see where we get to that $100 level, where we're making $100 trades, and how deep that we'd have to go, and what the trade would be. How much would the third trade of the fourth level be? And that's important because if it gets over 1,000, we're going to be in trouble.
Right.
So I need to figure that out.
Yeah.
Where does our third trade compound in a fourth series become over 1,000? And that's probably going to be one of those places where this method finds a little bit of a
hiccup,
sticky situation.
Yeah.
I guess you could hit the button twice.
But you lose because one could win, one could lose.
Yeah, and then you'd be mathematically screwed, like big time. Or maybe not. I mean, I guess if you won one of your compounds and didn't win the other, I guess you just have to recalculate and start over. But it'd be better if that didn't happen.
Right.
All right, I'm going to bed. Hey, everybody, tonight we're going to play the outro like we used to. And if you guys have any questions, check out our channel. Check out Fascinating World of Binary Options. Check out our website. In the link in this description, I've got some trading charts for you that I'm never going to tell Todd how many I sold. So he can just kick dirt when I'm rich. And that's it for tonight.